Amazon is a famous river. The N.A. No article. Answer is the. Use the before river names. Pacific Ocean is huge. No article. N. The. A. Answer is the. Use the before oceans. I saw elephant at the zoo. No article. The. An. Answer is in. Use in before words that begin with a vowel sound like elephant. She found lost puppy. The. An. No article. Answer is A. Use it for nonspecific singular nouns. I need umbrella. An. No article. The. Answer is in. Use in before vowel sounds. Moon looks bright tonight. The. N. No article. A. Answer is the. Use the for one-of-a-kind objects like the moon. He is university student. No article. An. The. Answer is A. Use it because university begins with a U sound. Earth moves around the sun. N. No article. A. The. Answer is the. Use the for planets when used as common nouns. He met famous actor. The. N. A. No article. Answer is A. Use it when mentioning one of many. She is honest person. N. No article. The. A. Answer is in. Use in before silent H words like honest. She is reading book. The. N. A. No article. Answer is A. Use a before singular countable noun starting with a consonant sound. Prime Minister gave a speech. An A. No article. The. Answer is the. Use the for specific official titles. Himalayas are very high. A. The. No article. N. Answer is the. Use the before mountain ranges. She has pet dog. A. The. N. No article. Answer is A. Use it when introducing something not known before. She bought new phone yesterday. A. No article. N. The. Answer is A. Use it when the object is mentioned for the first time. He is eating orange. No article. A. The. N. Answer is in. Use in before vowel sounds. He is engineer. The. N. No article. A. Answer is in. Use in before vowel sounds. She adopted cat from the shelter. N. No article. A. The. Answer is A. Use it when mentioning something for the first time. He ate apple after lunch. The. N. A. No article. Answer is in. Use in before vowel sounds like apple. She needs pencil to write. N. The. No article. A. Answer is A. Use a for a general singular object. She wants to be doctor. N. A. The. No article. Answer is A. Use a before professions when speaking generally. He waited for hour. The. No article. N. A. Answer is N. Use N because hour has a silent H. She bought dress you liked. No article. An. The. Answer is the. Use the when the listener knows which one. President lives in a big house. A. No article. The. N. Answer is the. Use the when referring to a specific leader. He saw UFO in the sky. A. The. N. No article. Answer is A. Use it because UFO starts with a U sound. She wants ice cream. N. A. No article. The. Answer is N. Use N before vowel sounds. He ate egg for breakfast. N. No article. A. The. Answer is N. Use N before vowel sounds. She has blue pen. No article. An. The. Answer is A. Use A with general singular nouns. I saw movie yesterday. No article. An. The. Answer is A. Use A when it's not specific. I saw owl in the tree. N. No article. A. The. Answer is N. Use N before vowel sounds like owl. He drank glass of water. N. No article. A. The. Answer is A. Use it for one general item. He bought new car. An. The. No article. Answer is A. Use it when mentioning something for the first time. World is full of wonders. An. No article. The. Answer is the. Use the when referring to the whole world. Nile is the longest river. A. No article. N. The. Answer is the. Use the before river names. Ganga is a long river. The. No article. An A. Answer is the. Use the before river names. Sky is blue today. An A. No article. The. Answer is the. Use the for things everyone can see. I have headache. A. No article. The. N. Answer is A. Use it before consonant sounds. He is MBA graduate. The. A. No article. N. Answer is N. Use N because the letter M begins with a vowel sound. I found coin on the ground. The. N. A. No article. Answer is A. Use it when the noun is general and not specific. I saw dog chasing a ball. A. The. N. No article. Answer is A. Use it when the noun is not specific. He wants to eat banana. An. No article. The. Answer is A. Use a before consonant sounds like banana. I saw eagle flying. No article. The. N. A. Answer is N. Use in before vowel sounds. She wants orange dress. The. An. No article. Answer is N. Use in before vowel sounds. Sun rises in the east. No article. The. Na. Answer is the. Use the for things that are unique, like the sun. Please close door. An. No article. The. Answer is the. Use the when talking about a specific known thing. She saw unusual bird. No article. N. The. A. Answer is N. Use in before vowel sounds. Stars shine at night. No article. A. The. N. Answer is the. Use the for things commonly known to everyone. She is best student in the class. The. N. No article. A. Answer is the. Use the with superlatives like best. We visited Taj Mahal. N. A. The. No article. Answer is the. Use the before famous monuments. He is tallest boy here. The. N. No article. A. Answer is the. Use the with superlatives like tallest.